Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. I'm at the Nordica booth in Verona, Italy today, and I want to show you guys the family model by Nordica. So this is a pretty new model to the Nordica line. It's a new model that we recently started importing. They do have two versions. Right here is going to be the 3.5, which is the smaller model, and located directly behind me is going to be the 4.5 model. So we have two color options here. First is going to be shown in black. Now the black is going to be a flat painted or porous surface. It is not an enamel finish. Now the colored model here, actually, I'm not sure what they call this color. It kind of looks like cappuccino to me. But the colored model, this cappuccino color, is going to be an enamel finish. So if you spill anything down the front of the stove, down the side, this is going to be super easy to keep clean. So let's go ahead and take a look inside the model. I'm going to show you guys the family 4.5 because it is the larger model in this line. You do have the removable rings on the cooktop, just one set of removable rings. Your firebox is going to have the pull open style. What I like about this is some of the other Nordica models, the doors automatically slam shut. This particular model stays open. Your firebox is going to have the gasket actually located on the front of the firebox itself. Firebox is a complete cast iron firebox, and then your ash pan is going to be removable from the front inside the door. Now this particular model does have a smaller glass window on it. Your oven is also going to pull open. Oven door is actually not gasketed on this model, but it does have a nice full finish, so it should be a seal tight on here. You do get one enamel cook pan standard with this particular model. Your oven cleanout is going to be located on the front of the stove directly below the oven. Underneath the stove, you do have a pan drawer model, so this can be used to store pans or kindling or anything of that sort. Now you do have 3 different damper controls located on this model. Your primary damper control is going to be located underneath the stove. Again, this is what brings the combustion air from underneath the firebox, making it so easy to get your fire started. Located on the top of the stove, we do have your oven damper located right here. And then your secondary or your air wash is located directly above the firebox. So this is what keeps your glass burning nice and clean. This particular model will be a right-hand vent, which means your firebox is going to be on the left-hand side of the stove when facing the front of the model. Now this particular model is going to only be available with the right-hand flue. Does not have a left-hand flue option available. This is the family 4.5. So I do have some other clips of the videos where I show you guys this particular model. So this one is going to be available in 3 colors. You have the black color, which again is like just a flat painted steel black. It's no porcelain enamel. Then you have the white porcelain enamel, which is shown here in this particular model. And then they have like that beigey kind of cappuccino color that was also shown. So this particular model has a little bit different styling features than the other Nordica stoves. Particularly the handles are going to be different, kind of more, I don't know, maybe antique-y, traditional style, I guess you could call it. Kind of throws you off because it looks like it should pull down, but I do want to clarify that the doors do just slide open. Another thing I need to point out on this model is your oven cleanout is going to be located on the top of the stove. So that's what this kind of rectangular panel is. So very, very nice, easy access for cleaning. And then this particular model is going to be a top vent only. So flue is going to be on the right-hand side of the stove when facing the front, and again, top vent model only. So I hope that you guys find these video overviews helpful. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget, share them with your friends. click subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.